Good morning. In last lecture, we start exercise 1.1, question number 1. Question number 1 is to find HCF for using Euclid's division algorithm. Here, question number 2. Exercise 1.1, question number 2. So that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Any positive integer are in the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 5 or 6q plus 3. Let us take in a is any positive integer. A is taking any positive integer or integer. Here condition is any positive odd integer. Therefore, we take a is equals to odd integer. We apply division algorithm. Our division algorithm is equals to lemma is equals to a is equals to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. For any two positive integers a and b, we have a is equals to bq plus r, 0 less than or equals to r less than b, and a is equals to a is dividend, b is equals to divisor, q is equals to quotient, and r is equals to remainder. We apply using division algorithm with a and b is equals to, here b is equals to bq plus 1, bq plus 3, bq plus 5, therefore b is equals to 6. A is equals to, a and b is equals to 6. Here put 0 less than condition, 0 less than or equals to r less than 6. R is greater than or equals to 0 less than 6. The possible remainders are, which are possible remainders less than 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Here we can write a is equals to, put b is equals to 6, q plus r is equals to 0, therefore a is equals to 6q. Otherwise, a is equals to 6 q plus 1. Here, that is a can be written as 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5, where q is the quotient. R is remainder, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can write a is equal, a can be 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5, where q is quotient. Here a is odd integer. In question given condition a is a odd integer. We do not consider the cases. Which cases we do not consider? 6q, 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4. Why? Because they are even. We put any number for q. Here 6q is equals to even, 6q plus 2 is even, 6q plus 4 is equals to even. Even, therefore it is divisible by 2. Now we put here 1, 6, 1 is 1, 2, 6, 2 is 12, 6, 12, these numbers are even or divisible by 2. 6q plus 2, here put we put 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 2, therefore 18 plus 2, 20, 20 is divisible by 2. Here we put 7, 6 7s are 42 plus 4, 42 plus 4, 46 is a even number. Now any number we put here, 6q, 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4, all are divisible by 2. Therefore, any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Again, our question is that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Let us taking a is any positive integer, odd integer. We apply division algorithm with a and b is equals to 6. Why 6? Because we have given 6q plus 1, 6q, aq plus r. Therefore, bq plus r, b is equals to 6. 0 less than or equals to r less than 6. Our division algorithm lemma. The possible remainder are 0, 1, 2, 3 or 5. That is, a can be 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 3, 4 and 5, where q is the quotient. Here, a is odd integer. We do not consider the cases 6q, 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4. All are divisible by 2. Therefore, any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Now, question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? In total 616 numbers, 32 members in parade. They are in two groups, are to march in the same number of columns. What is maximum number of columns in which they can march? Here maximum number, we find maximum number, therefore we find HCF of highest common factor of 616 and 32. By which method? We use in last lecture we find division algorithm lemma. Now we use Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm. We use Euclid's division algorithm. The maximum number of columns here. What is the number? Then we find the maximum number of column in which an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind the band of 22 band of 32 members upper A. The two groups are to march in the same numbers of column. Two groups are to march in the same number of columns. Then we find HCF of, in same number, maximum number for two groups, HCF of 6, 1, 6 and 30. HCF of 6, 1, 6, 32 by Euclid's algorithm. What is Euclid's algorithm? We take first larger number and divide by smaller number, then A is equals to, it is form of A is equals to BQ plus R. Then we write 616 is equals to 32 multiply. Now here I write rough work. 616 divide by 32. 32 ones are 32. 29, 296. 32 tens are 320. 9s are 9 2s are 18. 1 9 3s are 27 and 1 28. 16 8 here 0 0. Multiply by 90 plus our remainder is equals to 8. Clear? We use Euclid's algorithm. Find HCF of 616 and 32. Here 616 is larger number and 32 is smaller number. Therefore 616 is divided by 32. Then we get 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. Now which number is divided by this? 32 divisor is divided by remainder. 32 divided by 8. We know 32 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. The answer is 4. 8 4s are 32. Remainders becomes 0. Here remainder becomes 0. Therefore our procedure is stop. Now what is HCF of these two numbers? Divisor is HCF of these two numbers. Here divisor is 8. HCF of 616 and 32 is equals to 8. We get HCF of these two numbers is equals to 8. Then the maximum number of columns in which here we write in from question, in which an army of 616 members is to march behind behind band of 32 members. In the same number of columns, the columns are 8. Here columns are 8. 8 columns, 32 members. In each columns 32 members. 32 8s are 8, 2s are 16. 1. No, here 8 columns, 32 members. In 616 members. The columns in number in a parade. Number the columns in parade. How many maximum number is 8. Again, we use Euclid's division algorithm. The maximum number of columns in which an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind the band of 32 members in a parade. Two groups are to march in the same number of columns. So we find HCF of 616 and 32. HCF of 616 and 32 by Euclid's algorithm. What is Euclid's algorithm? We know that larger number is divided by smaller number and then it is right in the form A is equals to PQ plus R. Then 616 divided by 32, we get 616 is equals to 32 into 19 plus 8. Now process. 32 is equals to divide by 8. 8 4s are 32. Then remainder becomes 0. Therefore, if remainders become 0, then we stop our procedure. Therefore, HCF of 616 and 32 is equals to 8. Therefore, 8 maximum numbers of columns in which they can march. Columns in parade is 8. Okay. Exercise 1.1, question number 4. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer. It is like question number 2. Using Euclid's division lemma, show that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. We use Euclid's lemma for integer a and b is equals to 3. Here b is equals to 3 because integer is either in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Therefore, b is equals to 3. That is, a can be a is equals to 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 2. Here we write a is equals to 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Here we write 3q. Now 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Using Euclid's lemma, a is equals to bq plus r, r 0 less than or equals to r less than 3. Then using a is equals to 3q 3q plus 1, then remainder can be, which are remainder? Then remainder can be, which are can be 0, 1, 2. Here remainder can be 0, 1, 2. Then we write 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Correct? Using this lemma, here b is equal to 3 and a is equal to some integer. Therefore, remainder 0, 1, 2. Then we write 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now, square of any positive integer. Here we write square of 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2 is either of the form 3m plus 1. Now, 3q square of any positive integer, 3q square is equal to 9q square. Then we can write here 3 into 3q square, 3 into 3q square is equal to 3m, where m is equal to 3q square is positive integer. We write here m is equal to 3q square. Therefore, 3q square, any positive number, is in the form 3m. Use 3m, 3q plus 1. 3q plus 1. Now we use the square of 3q plus 1 whole square. It is written as 9q square. We using a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square is equal to 9q square plus 2 3s are 6q plus 1 square is equal to 1. Here we arrange the term 9q square plus 6q plus 1 equals to, here common number we write 3. 3q square plus 2q plus 1 is equal to 3m plus 1. Here where m is equal to, in bracket, 3q square plus 2q is integer. Correct? Now we 9q here expand of this number, 9q square plus 6q plus 1. We write it in the form of 3m plus 1. 9q square plus 6q, common number is 3. Therefore, 3q square plus 2q plus 1, 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q is positive integer. Again 3q plus, let's take 3q plus 2, its square, is in the either form of 3m or 3m plus 1. We expand this number, 9q square plus 12q plus 2 square is equal to 4. Clear? We arrange this number in 3q plus 3q or 3m plus 1. 9q square plus 12q plus, we split 4, 3 plus 1. Here in the form 4 is equal to 3 plus 1. 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. In this number, common number is 3. It is multiple of 3. 3q square plus 3 4s 12q plus 1 is equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is an integer. Correct? Then any number, square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. We put here, suppose we put here any positive integer, here 1. Any square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So therefore 3 1 plus 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 square, 16 we write here, 16 is equal to 15 plus 1, therefore 3m plus 1. Put 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 7, 7 square is equal to 49, 49 is equal to which number? 48 plus 1, 3 16s are 48 plus 1, 3m plus 1 form. 3m plus 1. So, the square of any positive integer is either the form of either the form 3m or 3m plus 1. 3m or 3m plus 1. We get here this form. Again, we use Euclid's lemma for a is positive integer and b is equals to 3. It is a can be written as 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 because a is equals to bq plus r, 0 less than or equals to r less than 3, then remainder can be 0, 1, 2. Now square of this number is in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. First we square of 3q. 3q square is equals to 9q square. 3 into, it is divisible by 3, 3 into 3q square, 3m. It is written as 3m. Now square of 3q plus 1. It is its expand form 9q square plus 6q plus 1. 9q square plus 6q in bracket and then we write plus 1. 3 common, 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1, 3m plus 1. 3q plus 2 whole square is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 4. First a plus b, 3q square and therefore 3q's whole square is equal to 9q square plus 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12q plus 2 square is equal to 4. Now we write 4 as 3 plus 1. Then putting these 3 terms in the bracket, common 3. Then we write it is in the form of 3m plus 1. So the square of any positive integers is either the form of 3m or 3m plus 1.